We're at one of these things that you see in Japan, you know, travel books and stuff all the time. Sort of like a Benihana, I guess. The cool roofs and beautiful golden paint. Hey guys, how are you? Try the steak teriyaki. Really good. We're on a tour. All of a sudden. The last joke's cracking me up still. We haven't really figured out what this is, but it's some sort of a shrine, I guess. This guy looks like he's taking a leak. What were you doing there?
Reading?
Oh, reading, okay. From behind it looked like you were taking a whiz.
It wasn't.
Yeah. Would have been a weird place to do it, huh? It's basically pretty boring, to be honest. Oh! Oh! You've seen one temple, you've seen them all. I bet. I couldn't tell you, I've only seen one temple, but I bet. So I'd like to introduce you to Ted. Ted is going to be our interpreter, and we're going to go buy some used panties.
Okay.
This is kind of the underground sex trade in Tokyo, so this is kind of shady. I won't beat around the bush here, this may be a little illegal. Hi, how are you? We're here to buy panties.
何ですかああ、どうぞいいですよ。
Thank you.
カメラ大丈夫顔映さないでよ。
Please don't shoot my face.
そう、これやってるのはみんな知らないから。
Nobody knows I'm doing this, so.
Oh.
You know.
Nobody knows that you're selling used dirty panties. Are these the girls here? So her panties are for sale? Have they been washed or no? Not washed.
洗ってないんだね。
洗ってない。
No, non-wash.
Okay, well these ones look good. Would you say that these are good?
いいよ、いいよ。
The odor is strong.
What's it smell like?
どんな匂いがする？
この匂いってなんかもう女性のあそこのなんかの匂い
The smell
が。
of the ladies' spot.
The what?
Ladies' spot.
The smell of the lady's spot.
Ladies' secret spot.
We're hanging out with a panty dealer in Tokyo. I mean, let's just acknowledge that right now. Why are you selling a uniform? What's that one smell like? Big Macs? I'll get these ones then.
じゃあこれ買います。
These are my personal favorite. It'll be a good Christmas gift from my mother. You know? Check. Check. Woo! They get up every morning from alarm clock one and take the 8:15 to the city. There's a whistle up above us, people pushing, people shoving, and the girls who are trying to look pretty. They get up. Where's the music? I was supposed 9 o'clock. Now they've taken the power out. How am I supposed to perform if I don't have any power? Hello. How are you today? Okay, no, don't hit my friend. No, don't violently assault my friend.
No.
Don't violently assault my friend.
It's not available to play here.
Yeah, where's Randy?
Randy?
Randy, yeah, he booked me in here at 9. So I'm
I
just...
don't know. Who is Randy?
AAA Entertainment?
No, you can't play to here.
Okay, I just do what I'm told. This was the address.
This is over here.
Is
You
this
can't.
is this 1515 Racamac Lane?
15?
1515 Racamac Lane here? Did you want AAA Entertainment here today?
No, not here.
Oh. And I'll be taking care of business every day, taking care of business every way, taking care of business. It's all mine, taking care of business and working overtime. Look out! Looks like this guy's taking care of business. Woo! This lady right here, are you taking care of business? Woo! This lady right here! Are you taking care of business? No! Not yet! Oh! Oh! I was booked to play here, though.
This is prohibited on this street.
Oh,
You
okay.
understand?
No, I
You have
was.
to get the permission.
I think I was booked to play here, though. That's the thing. Randy called AAA Entertainment. AAA Entertainment. You know AAA?
Thank you for the entertainment.
We used service, but then we branched out. We do balloonograms now. You understand what I'm saying, though, right? I was booked here to play here. I believe it was this street. I can't remember the exact address, but the symbol looked a lot like that. Randy Rockaka knock knock knock. Got a wart on the side of his face, glasses, big eyebrows, parrot on the side of his shoulder, green parrot. Usually walks with a limp, unless he's had 8 hours sleep or more. Likes eating stork. Am I still getting paid here?
I don't know. Should we call police?
No,
You
no, no, no,
talk
no.
to them?
No, that's fine. That's fine. I'm just listing off the words that Randy's... Damn heels! Damn! I'm not used to these things yet. Damn costume. That's a new costume, you know? Oh, okay. Here we go. I'm out of here. Just remember AAA Entertainment. We're going to be big. We're taking on ABC. That's for sure. Right ahead of ABC in the phone book.
Okay, good luck.
Yeah. Konnichiwa. Energy. 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 There you go. Thank you. I'm exhausted. I need some energy. Go, 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 go. Do it. Energy. Oh, energy. Is that illegal drugs? Domo arigato. Yeah. See you later. Okay. Women, huh?
Everywhere in Japan, very clear.
Oh, are they?
Clear.
They're queer?
No, yes.
Are you
clear.
Japanese?
Yes.
Is this ours? Okay. Okay, oops. Oh, geez. Oh, okay. Geez. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Just trying to... Oh, we're on the Tokyo subway right now. We're going to see how many people like potatoes, apples, and bananas. If you like bananas, please raise your hand. Does anybody in the house like potatoes? If you like bananas, let me hear you say, oh yeah. If you like potatoes, I want to hear you say, oh yeah. All the ladies in the house say, ho! Homeboys, make some noise. Everybody say, ho! If you like bananas, let me see a raise of hands for... Oh, you, sir. He likes bananas. Oh, no, he's just getting his bag.
We like quiet.
You like bananas?
We like quiet.
Quiet.
Be quiet, please.
Quiet. Do you like potatoes?
No.
No. You don't like potatoes? Ooh. It's a little uncomfortable all of a sudden. Yes, sir. 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 Yes, sir.
Okay, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Would you like to go fork yourself T-shirt and learn the positive aspects of using the fork as a utensil? Hello. Hi. You going back to bed or? Oh, it's okay. Would you like a Go Fork Yourself t-shirt? Here. You can have it. No, it's for you. Here. The Japanese seem slightly resistant to learning about the fork. Possibly that's because of their fondness for the use of chopsticks. This costume is cutting off my ability to breathe. This costume is choking me. It's gonna make me vomit. Damn fork costume's cutting off my circuit. See, Mom? I told you I'd make it. I'm in Tokyo dressed as a fork vomiting. Sir. Hi. How are you? I have a Go Fork Yourself t-shirt for you. Here you go. It's a Go Fork Yourself t-shirt, see? And what this is, you see that utensil on the shirt there? See that? See that there? That's the wonderful utensil, the fork. Yeah, the fork. I'd also like you to have some forks. So I'd like you to have these here, okay? Okay.
Thank you very much.
Arigato. Back to Betty Pies. Sleepy time. Okay. What are we doing here?
This is the largest fish auction in the world. Some of these tuna fish go for as much as... You guys want to take a crap in our van? We've already had monkeys and chickens do it. That is the most horrible sentence I've said in my life. Took it, and then it wouldn't let me through. Can you give me a hand with this? You look smarter than I do. Oh, pizza pie, pizza pie, pizza pie. You think Godzilla gives a crap about France? And I got a blue hat on. I got a blue hat on. I got a blue hat. I got a blue hat on. Just come over. I don't give a crap about France! A pee 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 and a poo poo poo. A pee 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 and a poo poo poo. A pee pee pee. I'm checking out a schoolboy's ass. Come arigato. Bye bye. The gay little elf. The gay little Japanese elf. Godzilla doesn't give a crap about France!